Alright, looks like we're live, YouTube. That was a trade from the 25th. Sorry, 27th. So, were you to manage it and take a 1 hour risk, that could have been worth about a half an hour, closing out half of the risk up here and closing the rest down at break even. If you wanted to wait for 2 hour, that would have been a losing trade. That's okay. So it was a losing trade, but that's not too bad. We're still in EURUSD. Watching this guy go sideways. We're still in GBPCHF. This was a trade from yesterday. He's kind of going sideways. This was NZDUSD. No trade, just watching him. And yeah, kind of broke out of the mold, so we're going to scrap the drawings there and let it chill. Let's see, let's go review all our trades for the next couple days for today. Jeez. Okay. Just doing some back end stuff right now. Alright, now the chat's kind of available for anybody. Not like I'm getting anybody, but that's okay. Okay, now going back to the stream. Let's start at the top. AUDCHF. This guy. Ooh. So we're tagging him as a pink trade over here. Just means we're looking forward to maybe some potential trade. If he goes up a little higher and hits that market structure just above the trend line, that could be a worthwhile sell position. We look on the 15, it's been coming down for a while. We look on the 1 hour, again, good bearish momentum. So we'll keep posted. We'll put a little alert right around here. Good. Let's quickly hop over and check news for the day. Okay, so what happened yesterday? Oh, the Australian dollar cash rate went up. So that definitely was good for the Australian dollar. USD Jolts is in today. And then some Kiwi news. Okay. That's probably why this guy shot up so much. And why we'll see all of the Australian dollars so high. So we see the Australian CAD He's up close to this market structure, but he's sort of broken above, so kind of invalidates the setup. We'll see. We'll see. If enough Australian pairs are at a level of structure, he could still be good for us all. If I'm flipping through it and I'm not commenting, it's just because I don't see anything that matches my strategy. So for example, AUDUSD looks like he's just going sideways. CADCHF. He's working towards this trend line. Interesting, but still doesn't match the strategy. Here we go. EURAUD. He's at this previous level of resistance. He's at a trend line level. Am I gonna regret this? Maybe. So we're gonna get into a buy here. Okay. Where do we want to play stops and profits? We don't want it too low. Go. So some levels of structure are here, here. If we put it all the way down here, we're looking at 90 pips. Actually, yeah, we'll go for a little less. We'll go say 500. We'll go say 550 and 1100. Just because if it respects this level of structure and this trend line, then it shouldn't go too low. And this way we don't have to set our stop loss too wide, which means our take profit to be a 2-hour trade doesn't have to be too wide either. So we're going to get into our Forex journal. This is May 2nd, it's about 5:30. We're trading Euro AUD to buy. We've got a level of supply demand, we've got a trend line going with the trend. It's an ascending trend line trade. Actually a bit of a break and retest. Let's trend line. Break and retest. Okay. So now we're in this guy. Okay, so that's the first trade. All right. It's good. Signal sent out. So we got signal on the premium as well as signal on YouTube Live. Eventually I'll start recording this on the YouTube Lives. You'll be able to see the wins and losses and what have you for the month as well as the year. EURAUD, similar thing, took this trade back on the 25th. Had I gone for a narrower stop loss, already would have been our for 2R. I had a quite wide stop loss to incorporate the second level of structure, which means it would have hit a 1R. 1R take profit and the rest it's break even, which is a half R trade, or holding out for 2R, which is what I typically do. Not seeing a whole lot. That GBPAUD is very reminiscent of EURAUD. That's not surprising. They're quite similar. Who knew they'd be correlated? Shocking. GCAD, GCHF, this guy's going sideways. GK. GN, that was the losing trade. GU could be kind of interesting if he gets down to this level of structure. Could be worth a buy. So the plan yesterday was to sell right around here. Didn't quite make it. I think I had my sell just at the top of this level of structure. And he immediately rejected. So that's okay. He's now broken out of the structure, so we're not really looking to short at this time. Ugh. Wow. Man, I need a better frame rate. I need a better camera. That's so garbage. Not that any of you are watching, but if you go full screen, it doesn't get any better than 380, 360p. Which is fucking shit. Okay. See gold trading this wedge. Not much opportunity. The US indices kind of going sideways. Not much opportunity. Not much opportunity there. Alright. So, losing trade there. I'm monitoring these three GCH, GBPCHF, and a little bit of profit. EURUSD, a little bit of loss. Euro AUD, a little bit of loss, but just going sideways for now. That's okay, we'll monitor it. Here, AUDCHF, he's got an indicator, again, possibly a good sell opportunity where he hits the alert. If he were to hit the alert, it's highly likely that Euro AUD would hit stop loss. All things being equal. I mean, if the Australian dollar is going to continue to climb against the Swiss franc, it's likely going to continue to drop against the euro. What we can do is we can change our list so we can view pairs. So right here, we're viewing everything the US dollar basket. So yes, there's the DXY, which is the official US dollar basket, but I also like to see how all the pairs are performing stacked up next to each other. We can see Euro and GU are not doing too well. Australian and Kiwi are doing quite well. And the Swiss franc, Canadian, and yen aren't doing too well. So it's a bit of a mixed signal there. What I like to do when I trade another confluence is a pure signal, which just means the pair is doing exceptionally well against all the other pairs. So again, Euro looks like it's a bit of a mixed signal, doing quite poor against the Australian and Kiwi, but doing well against a few others. There we go, that's not too bad. We see the Swiss franc is up on a lot of pairs, which means the Swiss franc is weak. So that bodes well for our British pound Swiss franc trade. And then let's see, where's our AUD? There we go. Yeah, so you can see the Australian dollar is quite strong, so we're kind of trading against the daily momentum when we're trying to buy. We're buying this guy. We're definitely trying to trade against the momentum. Let's see. We have some more levels of structure over here that could play in our favor, but that's okay. All right. That's it. I think I'm gonna stop streaming now. I don't expect much to happen. These streams are very quick and concise. Quick recap. Waiting for the Australian Swiss franc to reach these levels to enter a sell. Kind of letting out the Euro AUD trade play out, letting the Euro USD trade play out, letting the Swiss franc trade play out. GBPNZD hit stop loss, so I'll go update the journal. And then waiting for this guy to come down. And that could be a good entry. I should set up the signal or alert. Sweet. Okay. Thanks for watching. I'll try to get a better camera for the next one.